This year, in Mrs. Smith's first grade class, we performed Rumpus in the Rainforest.
I've done a play for 3 years now. They always pull it together on the day of the play because today was by far the best, and I know that now because it happens every year.
It was really fun. Everybody enjoyed it. I think a lot of other classes would like doing this play.
We've worked a lot on projecting voice, speaking slower and clearer. I did see some of my real shy kids kind of blossoming.
The Amazon is the home of the cacao bean. It takes a lot of bravery to get that play going. But once we watched it a few times, we're like, nope, I'm not a scaredy cat anymore. I am a brave man.
You can't miss it. Gee, thanks. Come on. Last one to the hot fudge maraschino chair.
You know, they were probably about $300 of just little googly eyes and hats and stuff like that. But I think they're appropriate for first grade. This year, the PTO did if we have one parent at each PTO meeting, they offer $250 to the teacher who had a parent representative at each meeting. So I kind of was counting on that. I didn't have any other money. I have spent hundreds over the years, thousands. So I had the $250, and as soon as I knew I got the award, it was only a couple weeks ago, I went to Walmart, spent about $80 on all the colored t-shirts. I like the look of that. My goal is to have these costumes and to just next year pull the bin out, everything's ready, we do the same play. And then each year make it just a little bit better. You know, maybe use the stage and the multi, use some sound, that kind of thing.
I'm a sloth. I would help you up this tree. I'm a sloth. But I'm lazy as can be.
What I think I'll remember most about the play is doing my song, the Cacao Bean song. And of course talking to Kaylee and having to do all those amazing parts and very tough ones.
My hope is to maybe get the second grade teachers to do one, the third grade teachers. I know curriculum's really big and there's a lot to get through in fourth and fifth grade, but to not have the arts in your classroom is a real disservice to the children. And I think there's ways to work in the science standards and the art standards, and they're reading, they're memorizing in a play.
I want to thank Mrs. Smith for all the hard work she did and for being such a great teacher this year. Thank you, Ms. Smith.
I think because they're just so motivated and excited to do it that it's a nice, easy way to end the year. And here is a memory that they'll have of first grade and a nice bonding experience for them.